Hello, Tuesday. Hope you're having a great day and a great week so far. I'm Coach Skip. I have your Burn at Home workout for Tuesday. And if you're just getting started with us, it is important to get moving. The body is designed to move. So, take some time out of the day. These workouts should take 35 minutes or less. Get a good sweat on, and then be able to get on with the rest of your day. And you will feel better, look better, and just all around be better. So let's get after it. We've got a warm-up today. We're going to be doing 3 rounds of 25 vertical jumps, 10 good mornings, 10 calf raises, and then 10 donkey kicks. So starting off on that vertical jump, you're going to be staying on the balls of your feet the entire time. This is that jump rope simulation. So swing your arms at the sides just like you've got a jump rope. If you actually have a jump rope, get it out and use it. Go in the garage, go out back, whatever you need to do to have that clearance. But get, that will help with agility, coordination, balance, all kinds of useful skills. If you want to make it more challenging, do that double under where you're doing a higher jump and a quicker spin with the wrist. And if you need to bring it back a little bit to reduce the impact, just do a small standing march where you're bringing those feet up and down, right plus left equals 1. So after your 25 vertical jumps, we're going to be doing 10 good mornings. So you're going to bend at the waist, really get that good stretch in the hamstring, nice soft knee here, and this will really help you get that tighter stretch in the hamstring. If you need to do this holding on to something, sometimes that'll just help you get a little bit lower and get that deeper stretch in the hamstring and in the glute. As you're standing back up, make sure you really squeeze your butt, and that way you get something at the top of the exercise as well. After your 10 good mornings, you've got 10 calf raises. So you're going up on your toes, back on your heels, and just alternating back and forth, really squeezing those calves as you come up. Again, if you need to hold on to something for balance and support, that's okay. If you need to do one at a time, that's okay. Whatever you need to do to really get that calf stretch and squeeze every time, really tighten up that calf every time. Finally, after the 10 calf raises, we're going to be doing 10 donkey kicks. So down on all fours, keep that leg bent as you go up, and just alternate legs. Again, right plus left equals 1. Again, you should feel that in the glutes and in the hamstring. If you need to do this from more of a standing position, just lean over a chair, a couch, a table, and just get those legs up one at a time. Really make sure you get that bend in the leg, and that's going to open up that hip a little bit more. So 3 rounds, 25 vertical jumps, 10 good mornings, 10 calf raises, and then 10 donkey kicks. After the warm-up, take a few minutes, stretch out, grab a sip of water, let that heart rate come down a little bit. Make sure you keep that sweat going, though, as you get into the workout. Today for the WOD, workout of the day, we've got a 15-minute AMRAP, as many rounds as possible in 15 minutes. You're going to be doing 5 curtsy lunges, 10 dead bugs, 5 pike push ups, and then 10 alternating Superman. And then you're going to finish with a 30 count or a 30-second plank hold. So we're going 5 curtsy lunges, 10 dead bugs, 5 pike push ups, and then 10 alternating Superman. And then at the end, you'll have that 30 count plank hold. So starting with that curtsy lunge, you're going to be in that curtsy lunge, you're going to be bringing the right leg behind the left, working on getting that knee all the way to the ground, and then switch. Right plus left equals 1 on these. If you're not able to get quite all the way to the ground, but you can get close, that's okay. Get as far as you can and get that good stretch. If you need to do this, again, holding on to something, that's just going to help you decrease the resistance on your legs, and will hopefully improve balance and coordination as well. So, but really get that leg as far back as possible. If you need to just do this where you're just bringing that leg back one at a time, as long as you feel that stretch in the thigh and in the hamstring and quad, that's what we're looking for in this exercise. After 5 donkey kicks, you're going to be doing 10 dead bugs. So you're flattening your back, arms overhead, and you're bringing your right arm to your left leg, left arm to your right leg. And really keep that good motion going. You're working the core, you're working the legs, you're even working the upper body some here. If you need to do this from more of a standing position, then what I want you to do is what we call a standing sit-up, where you're bringing your right elbow to your left knee, left elbow to your right knee. And you're just going back and forth the same way if getting down on the ground is an issue for you. After the 10 dead bugs, you'll go into 5 pike push-ups. So you're going to be up, butt up in the air, and you're working on bringing your head right down to the ground, and then up again. And keep that motion going. If you need to do this from more of a raised platform, same thing, get that head through the window and right down and touch. Get the best range of motion possible every time for those 5 pike push-ups. After that, we've got 10 alternating Superman. So on the alternating Superman, you're going to be on your stomach and you're going to bring your left arm and right leg up and then switch. And just back and forth, really squeeze your butt, squeeze your shoulder. This is going to work the obliques, work the glutes, and that lower back. If you need to do this from a standing position, just do a full Superman and just go back and forth here. Again, really squeeze the butt, squeeze the core as you push forward. Finally, we're finishing this one with a 30 count or 30-second plank hold. If you need to do this in 2 sets, that's okay, but work on holding as long as possible every time up to 30 seconds. If it helps to watch a clock for this, game on, go for it. Just have that timer set up, whatever your 15-minute clock is, and count 30 seconds out of that. If you need to do this more of a 1,000, 2, 1,000, what we don't want to see is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We want you to actually get about 30 seconds in each plank hold. On that plank hold, you're going to be right on your forearms. Keep that butt down and just hold for that 30 seconds. If you need to go down to your knees, that's okay. Again, as long as you're keeping that chest off the ground and your hips off the ground, that's fine. That's what we're looking for here. And of course, if you need to do this from more of a raised platform, grab your chair, bench, couch, and just do it right there. And the higher you go, the less the resistance. So make sure you're still getting some resistance out of it. So 15-minute AMRAP, 5 curtsy lunges, 10 dead bugs, 5 pike push-ups, 10 alternating Superman, and then a 30 count plank hold. Do as many rounds as possible of that in 15 minutes. Record your score, your time, and make sure you post it in Beyond the Whiteboard too. So have fun with this one, share it with a friend. Everybody needs help working out, and that's exactly what we're here for. Also, make sure when you get a chance, we've got live interactive classes where you can actually get on and see people. The coaches can see you and hear you, and you can hear us. And that what helps with that is really being able to get a better range of motion, help you modify exercises, and make sure you stay on point as you're going through those workouts. It always helps to have someone there that's watching and helping you through it, and being a part of that community really makes a big difference. So, get in contact with us and we can get you a link for those live interactive classes. Other than that, get through this workout, have fun with it, and we will see you tomorrow. So thanks a lot, guys. Coach Skip, signing off. Have a great day.